Hello friend, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm your host Joya and you're watching my channel JoyTech. Today in this tutorial I will show you how to update your Play Store on your Android devices. So before I will start my video, if you still cannot subscribe my channel, please subscribe it first and press the bell icon button for upcoming videos. So let's find out how to update your Play Store at your Android devices. As you all know that you can update your all applications from your Play Store. First of all, go to your Play Store, tap at your account, tap at Manage Apps and Devices, and appears the screen. You can see all your updates will be available at the Updates section. Tap at Updates, and here you will see all your pending updates on your Android Play Stores. Now, if you want to update your Play Store at your Android devices, just simply go back, tap at your account. Now, down the bottom, you can see a option settings. Just tap at there. Now, page on screen, you can see lots of options, but just tap at about section and scroll it up. And down there, you can see Play Store version and the two options, update Play Store and learn more. Just simply tap at update Play Store and appears on screen. You can see Google Play Store is up to date. If it is required the update, please update it from here. Like this, you can easily update your Play Store at your Android devices. I hope that video is helpful for you. If this video is helpful for you, please share it to your friends and don't forget to subscribe my channel too. And if you have any other question, please comment me below. Thanks for watching.